name is Scott, and this is my WeThePeople ENVY bike check. I got an E-Clat control tyre on the front. I have E-Clat rim, E-Clat hub, E-Clat pulse hub actually, with E-Clat spokes. Got the WeThePeople ENVY forks with E-Clat peg on the left and a soft peg on the right. I have Odyssey Chase Hawk grips. They're black. They're nice to ride. I got WeThePeople bars. They're nice and big. I got a nice WeThePeople Supreme stem. It's pretty nice to ride. I have the WeThePeople ENVY frame. I got the Omni cranks, the E-Clat slash pedals. I got the Soft Plus chain, the WeThePeople seat post. So it's alright. I got the E-Clat seat. Got an E-Clat peg in the back with an E-Clat hub guard, E-Clat pulse hub, E-Clat spokes, E-Clat rim and E-Clat control tyre. I got the Soft Plus bottom bracket, and I got a Soft Plus headset, and I got a E-Clat sprocket.